front of me is Honor Power, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Begin by opening Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to tap on Display and Brightness. Following that, select Font Settings over here and operate this slider under text size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. When you finished, just go back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!